Good afternoon. Welcome back to my channel. Is your girl Share with Beautifier. So today, I'll be talking about security matters that is going on in our country, Nigeria. Honestly, new to my channel, welcome. We welcome you into our group. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell so that whenever I post any new video, you'll be the first person to receive it. Thank you so much for staying with us. We love you. Peace. So today matter na pidgin I want to talk on na about security matter. This matter e get a bit na about all these bandits, Boko Haram, whatsoever, government. So today I see this thing from news, Arise News. Now then bring them out. I say me I will talk about, and will also shook my mouth. I shook my mouth put for inside the tori when be say it dey happen for we country. I need to shook my mouth because this security matter it don't become very serious as we dey like this now. Herdsmen they do their own, Boko Haram they do their own, bandits self they do their own. But me I never see anywhere when be say government would they come they do negotiation with bandits. Wetin dem dey try to dey talk say dem dey promote crime for we country be that. Then if you dey do wetin no good, before you know how we government will just come go give you money, you go begin dey negotiate. Because from my own from where me sit down now dey look this story, e be like say na we government sef na dem dey send all these people make dem dey do am so that they would dey spend money, they still dey use time take dey chop money for where they not keep the money. Cause at the end of the day na our money na im dem dey chop. So na the tori na be this. E really get to me when I see am. I go put the video for una more and listen to am, but I say me I will talk about am because we government at the end of the day we not get any other country when we dey go. Now Nigeria na be our own. We not go another place when be say na be our own. Even if we get ID, we get green card for any other country. But you see, Nigeria na our first country. Now there be our country. Now there God put us. God when put us there, get why he put us for there. Buhari no fit stop this thing. Buhari, shebi that they send our Nigerian soldiers, they go another country, we go help them fight. Because now wetin me I know that they send our Nigerian soldiers, they go Liberia, they send they go different countries, them go help them fight. But now it don't come our own. Wetin dey happen? We dey go dey help another person dey clear your own shit, but our own shit when e dey market, we no fit pack am. This one now with the shit dey market like this as we dey talk, we no fit pack am. But if na to go another country now go help them pack their shit, we go help them pack their shit, wash their hands join. So wetin dey happen? Nigeria not safe again because if e continue like this, everybody no fit run comot for there. If e continue like this, with the way when we dey see, so e be like say the country dem dey trek dey go civil war as we dey talk like this small. Because every day by day people don dey tire small. Every day by day, I know say the ones wey be say they get small checking money, they no go wan really talk who wan die. People no wan die, but if you still look am from another angle, if war not happen, people will die. And if it not happen, that Nigeria no go even feel better. E no feel good. E no feel better as me and you they talk like this. So now the matter when I just see, I say no, I will shook mouth for this story. I will shook mouth for this story matter because in the Aso Rock, me I not really know what in they do. Since Buhari first come rule, although me I know say the first time when he rule, let's say na Nigerians na them vote for am, na them carry am put for there, put am for the seat, say making there, making rule. But the second when he do, na him put himself put for there, not be Nigerians, not be them put am for where in there. As me and you they talk like this, na him put himself. We know how election be for we country. So wetin me and they talk about now be say Buhari no dey do anything. If he just hear say they say bandit, he go just rise because na him be number one citizen. As me and you they talk this story now for we country. So as me with you they talk this story now be say na him be number one citizen right now. So there is nothing when be say nothing go fit happen for we country when be say Buhari no go, if he not give them go ahead when be say it go happen. I know say we dey get our own state governor, state this, state that, but na him be the president when be say na him go fit stop the bandit issue now when be say e dey happen. The one wey dey pay me pass be say many of them, their pikin dem no even dey with country, their pikin dem dey different countries. If those countries no good, if those countries no fight for their right and their freedom, dem fit say dem for fit carry their pikins dem go there. Then if dem no care, if the war happen, dem get private jet now, dem go enter comot, dem no wan die. But you see the poor masses now, then they suffer all these things when be say e dey happen for we country. Buhari no dey do anything. Many people don talk and say make him go. He no wan go. He no ready go. We know say he no go fair go. We know how we all be for we country. But since me don dey grow courage like this, the age when me dey today, I never ever want to hear say, I never ever want to see government when be say e worse like this Buhari regime. I never see am. This Buhari regime, e tire everybody, e even tire animal sef. Everybody tire, not be only human being tire, everybody tire for we matter. So the whole thing e tire everybody. Security not dey, work not dey, person go school go be like who no go. Even the ones when, even the small ones when business they see they manage, they even they get the small work now. The money no even see the rich person even use. Wetin dey happen? They just they scatter around every day. But wetin me want try tell everybody be say we must. I know say I not dey there. Some people will say, you dey here, why you not go there where you dey? They talk. Family for there. So na me still dey there like that. As far as my family dey there. So na me still dey there partially, even if not be me dey there. Anything when affect my family, anything when be say e reach where they dey, it will also reach where I dey. Or if they say, okay, where my mama dey now, no this thing, now something come dey happen for there now, they payment people anyhow they go, they payment, go in me where I dey for here, I go fit chop make it enter my body when I dey hear that kind of thing. Say where my mommy dey now, so payment they come dey payment people. Everybody they carry head, they shook enter inside house, they hide. Even the inside house now they break door. Me go you fit say me I go dey okay for where me dey. I go fit eat the food now. I go chop and go enter my body. I want to enter my body. You feel say I will fit carry my head, say make I even close my eye, make I sleep small. It no go work. So if you still looking from another place, you go know say wetin affect eye, e also affect nose. Yeah, it they do me for body. I get people. How many e get how you go feel be when you busy now the ones when they outside country now they go many pass the ones when they Nigeria. Even if your own families they abroad, e get how it be say your families when they abroad many pass the ones when they Nigeria, your hometown. It not take possible. Your families when still they house now, they will still many pass. Physically, but I still dey there. I still dey there. If you look at where. Because nobody when be my relation will tell me something when be say no go pinch me for body. I be human being. It go pinch me for body. Even if not be even the security matter safe. It go pinch me for body. Even if I no talk of saying that security, this one now security matter. The country will not even know wetin dey happen. When I dey school, they sing that time say, listen to your children, we are the leaders of tomorrow. Tomorrow, try to pay our school fees. Which leaders? Me, I don't know though. Me, I use that song where we use our march where for primary school. We use that. I don't dey old. See, I don't get my gray hair. I don't get gray hair many for my head. Gray hair. It don't fool my hair. It don't fool my hair like yet. When person one country become the leader, me I don't know. May they carry the leader, they go. We not even we not the quarry. But may they let poor person drink water, keep cup. May they let person drink. Even if my brother na politician or my sister na politician or my papa na politician, wetin I go talk, I go still talk am. I no dey biased. Wetin I go talk, me I go talk am. If I see wetin wrong, I go talk say wrong. If I see wetin right, I go talk say right. Wetin Buhari, wetin dey according to Warri Pikin go say wetin dey play. Wetin dey happen? Wetin dey happen for that country? Wetin dey happen? From they said Benin to Ekpomana na issue. Only that small road. Na issue. If you did the road, na so you dey pray make you fit reach Ekpoma safely. And Esa not get airport. I wish they get airport now go dey easier. The ones when be say they get money or now if not to plan your journey, suffer the safety, you feel afford flight, you suffer they do one. This whole thing they tire person, no, they tire person, my people. Why you as a president would they negotiate with people when be say that they commit crime for the country? People they commit crime, they kidnap. What they do? They encourage them to they kidnap more. By the time you can't negotiate with them, you give them money. When that money don't finish, you don't know say they go back to the same thing when be say you paid them for before. Money be like spirit. It be like spirit. As you hold on like this, you get power. Before you know, if you not manage and we go come up for your hand. Kidnap this thing. This set of people kidnap this thing. You know them, you they see them. You not fit carry them, make them face wetin they do, make they go jail or as in make they face their the crime when be say that they commit, make they suffer put. You dey here say you want to negotiate. What you they negotiate? Money when they say you know they. You will borrow money come for another country. You will borrow money come, carry our oil, sell and throw away. You will carry the money, go give bandit. Buhari, what did they happen? What did they play? You will carry the money, you will go give bandit. Say what did happen? We don't say all the promises when you promise. You not get the one when you do. We agree, but why you go still carry this small money when you do? You carry go give bandit. You they encourage them. Then before you know another set now will constantly form again. They will kidnap again, say they be bandits. You go still call them, you go they give them money. You form them. Abi you they give them the money from back, they'll can't go give you back, you can't give them their court. Because the matter guy be. Now light you get, now been a road you get. What you get, I been a water. What you get? What you dey? I don't understand. What you dey? Buhari na need to answer this question because me I don't know wetin Buhari they do. Both Buhari and the one when he say na he be second person for this thing when he be say he be supposed to be our hope a whole pastor when he call he say he na pastor. Osibajo he say he na pastor. Na pastor now he go do well. But I know he no even get the one when in the he not get the one when in there at all. They be like person when they carry hand till they sign. Una matata ya me. As an individual, more like they take una own, more like they suffer, they take care of una self, more like they take precaution. Because you see Buhari as he did that so rock so. He don't know whether person dey or person dey, whether person there, whether they bury person, whether person dey exist, whether person dey cry, whether person dey chop. No concern Buhari. My God. I never see Buhari be like person when they carry something, they block it to ear. Like person when not they hear something, now only sign language. Now they understand. I put the video more than just listen to her. Beg. The matter
cannot, and I repeat, we cannot negotiate with these guys. We've got what it takes to crush them off. You only begin to negotiate when you've not done your homework. When you've not put in all what you should put in place. So when they have taken over your kids or your citizens and hold them ransom, there is nothing you can do. Any attempt at rescue operation, there will be high collateral damage. You will lose nearly half or over 3/4 of them. And what you are compelled to start negotiating. As a country with a strong defense force, haven't actually equipped your infantry? My God, you go out there and crush the enemy. That is what I expect from Nigeria. We did this in Liberia, we did this in Sierra Leone, we did it in the... What is happening with us? Is this Nigeria? Our sovereignty is threatened. Bandits have taken over this country. And we are watching. We are watching. For Christ's sake, we must save this country. This is the only land we have. Can someone tell the president that Nigeria is sinking? We are sinking. Every day we are sinking.
Well, Colonel Hassan Labo, I stand Labo, I see you spoken as a soldier.